¿Puedes ayudarme con algo?
Por supuesto, Peter. ¿Con qué?
I know, I scared you guys. I was joking about slash and burn, and some of you might have taken it seriously. But remember, I literally wrote the book on composting. Well, I literally wrote a book on composting. Compost Everything. The Good Guide to Extreme Composting. I don't want to waste all this material. I am actually afraid of some of this stuff coming back, but what I figure I'll do is just let it sit there, cover it up with some other material. If it looks like it wants to grow again, I'll put a tarp over it and kill it. There's a lot of biomass here, and I can just keep throwing stuff on top of here. I'm not worried about it being stomped down or anything. The stuff is actually very dry. We're in the dry season right now. This is not going to rot quickly. There's plenty of air in it. I'm just crushing it. It needs to get soaked really good. So if we had a rain and it got soaked, then I might consider tarping it or just chopping some banana leaves and laying them over the top like that. You know, just to keep it in there and let it kind of ferment down. But, you know, as it is, it's not going to rot for a while. But I could keep doing this. And this didn't cost me anything. This is a scrap piece of roofing. I got these boards out of a dumpster. I got these from a shipping company. They said I could take all the pallets I want. And I can haul 6 of them at a time in my car. So I got 5 of them in here. And we'll just keep going from here. So that's your real simple pallet compost bin system. If you're going to do this in your backyard, I recommend doing the 3-bin compost system. That's a classic one. But right now we had enough for 2 bins, so we filled it up. And as it rots down, we'll stack some more stuff on top. There's plenty of biomass here in the tropics, but we don't want to waste it. Thanks for joining me. Be sure to click and get my easy composting guide, which I'm just giving it away. There's a link below this video so you can click on it and get it. And stop throwing stuff in the landfill. Start composting it in your backyard. And don't take the easy way out and burn it unless you're going to make biochar, or you need the ashes, or you're really bored. Until next time, may your thumbs always be green.
I went to see David the Good. We listened to Portishead and drank spiced rum.
Oh, didn't like that.